Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pune Apartment Listings. Today we are broadcasting a 3 BHK apartment which is available for resale. The carpet area is 1200 square feet. This is at Nyati Epitome in South Pune. We have entered the apartment. The apartment has a L-shaped living and dining. So right ahead is a dining here. Let me take you through the chef's kitchen. Chef's kitchen is quite big. 12 into 9.6 are the dimensions. What you see is what you get. Lower and upper kitchen cabinets, chimney, hob, burners. Nyati Group is known for making landmarks and providing large livable spaces. I am going to mention the dimensions in the description box. Please go through it. This 3 BHK is very spacious enough. The selling price to this apartment is affordable. Hence do not hesitate to call us, which will definitely highlight the spaciousness in this particular apartment. With this apartment you will be allotted one covered car park. Right ahead is your dry terrace. Throughout the apartment, developer has provided basic vitrified flooring. Let me again quickly give you a run through of the living area. A L-shaped living and dining section. Right ahead is your living here, and with a set out of 13 by 6, and right ahead here is a dining. Very spacious apartment, open from 3 sides. Let us have a look at the first bedroom, the primary bedroom. And friends, be surprised, the dimensions are 14 into 10.6. For the kids bedroom, this is the biggest dimension in South Pune and also West Pune. So it has one separate washroom here, 8 by 5. Your CP fittings, sanitary fittings, they are of Indian and US brands. Wallpaper will be a part of the deal. Let's have a look at the second bedroom here. 16 into 11 are the dimensions. So each bedroom, the dimensions keep on increasing rather than decreasing. So that is a good part about Nyati Group. Just have a look at the room dimension. It's quite spacious. You can easily place a king size bed here. So this bedroom has an attached washroom. Friends, this particular project has 24/7 power supply and 24/7 water supply. Gas pipeline is already come here, so that should make your life easy. So the second bedroom has a glass shower cubicle. All the major transportation hubs are nearby from here. Your Pune station is nearby and the airport is nearby. Let me take you through the master bed. The dimensions are 18 into 13. As I said, dimensions keep increasing from the kids bedroom to the master bed. That is the USP of Nyati as a brand. Big king size bed with additional 2 double door wardrobes can be easily placed here. To buy this resale apartment in South Pune, please give us a call on the numbers in the description box. Pune Apartment Listing is the official marketing partner for this particular apartment. Please like and share this video with your friends and family members who are hunting for a 3 BHK resale apartment in South Pune near NIBM. Resale apartments are the safest option during the time of crisis like COVID. If you have liked this particular apartment, give us a call. We will conduct the site visit for this particular apartment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can stay connected with us. Thank you for watching.